And here on your screen, we are continuing to get views of NASA astronaut Anne McClain on the right hand of your screen, and NASA astronaut Nicole Ayers, who will be our spacewalkers today. Assisting there in the middle of the screen is JAXA, or Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Takuya Onishi. He's currently working to configure Anne McClain's spacesuit so that it is ready to go for them to step outside of the hatch. The spacewalkers today are wearing the Extravehicular Mobility Unit, or EMU, spacesuit, which is essentially an individual human-sized spacecraft containing its own portable life support system. And we're getting a good view inside of Nicole Ayers' spacesuit as Takuya Onishi steps through procedures to configure it ahead of today's spacewalk. The spacewalk will officially begin when the crew switches their suits to internal battery power. And on your screen, you do see JAXA astronaut Takuya Onishi working again on Nicole Ayers' spacesuit. He's installing MetOx canisters onto her spacesuit because the crew will be in the vacuum of space. They rely on the spacesuit. It's their primary life support system, essentially a mini spacecraft that has everything that they need to keep them safe in the vacuum of space.